It's a pretty hot day and I'm outside watering plants. It's supposed to get up to 88 today, which is really hot for our climate. It's not the hottest it's ever been, but it's up there. It's probably the hottest day this year. While I'm watering these kiwis, I thought I'd just do a quick fruit update. This variety is called Ken's Red, and there's a lot of fruit forming here on this vine. There's more down here. These fruit are supposed to turn kind of a red color. This is the first year that this particular vine is fruited for me. It's actually the first time it flowered, and this is the first year where I really had some significant male flowers happening. Before, I had a pollinator that wasn't pollinating any of the female vines I had, so I had to replace it and graft it male onto another place, and kind of got that situation taken care of. But here's the Ken's Red. I've had this one planted since about, I think I want to say about 2019, maybe 2018. Here's a picture of the fruit. I don't know if they need to be have some UV light on them with the sun for them to turn that color, or if they'll just do that as they get ripe. Not sure. Moving on, this much larger vine is called an Ananasnaya, and it's holding quite a bit of fruit this year. Last year I think there was about 8 fruit total, and this year it's more than 10 times that amount. It's in the hundreds probably. It's interesting, some of the fruit is looking kind of small and skinny, and then some other fruits are getting to be nice size. Trying to give this plant some water, it's thirsty. So what I did here was, this is a graft, this is a male vine. It's kind of faded, but got the pollination part taken care of with this. Put it out adequate flowers so that we can get some things happening here. Here's some more Ananasnaya fruit. Put my hand up here for reference. Some more fruit over here. To me it looks like maybe somewhere between 100 and 200 fruit on this vine this year. Over here what I've done is I've planted 2 plants in the place that the male vine that wasn't working used to be. I've got a male vine that supposedly a good one, although this one hasn't flowered yet. And then I got a very, very desirable, I've heard this is the best variety of hardy kiwi, which is called Michigan State, or MSU. And this one hasn't flowered yet either. It's just a vine I've had for about a year now, and it was in a pot for its first year, and just trying to get it to grow. And I'm kind of leaving this gap open here for those vines to fill in. My thought is I'd have one of the male vines kind of travel along the length and just of the entire trellis, so it could have male flowers coming out everywhere, and also kind of keep it manageably pruned so it doesn't compete too much with the female vines, but it's able to make enough flowers. So what I've got going on here is, this is a variety called Jumbo that I grafted onto this Issai. Issai is an interesting variety because it's a self-fruitful variety. Doesn't require a pollinator to set fruit. This is jumbo, which is just kind of your standard type of kiwi. But the Issai is definitely different. The leaves look different. The fruits are smaller and different shaped. Some Issai fruit. The Issai has been fruiting for years for us, probably about 5 years now. We planted the Issai and the Ananasnaya back in 2017 and kind of thinned it out a lot this winter, and I think it's helped a lot with productivity and also fruit size. Before, the fruits were really tiny, like maybe the size of one of my fingernails. But this year they're much larger, and there's definitely a good amount of them. So as you can see, it's been a good year for kiwi. Kiwi fruits are a fall ripening fruit here. I anticipate these will be getting ripe in September, about a month from now. And probably some of them won't even be ripe until late fall, like in November. Sometimes if you pick them and then let them sit on the counter, they'll get soft and get ripe. I'm not sure of all the best practices to do, kind of learning as we go. But I need to move my hose now, and I'll see you on the next video.